Hello everyone, myself Khushbu Sharma and I'm from Rajasthan. I got to know about the Unacademy app from an ad. Before, when I was not using this app, I thought that this is a waste of time. But when I downloaded this app and started learning, I realized that this is the best learning app for students because in this app we have live interactive sessions with the teachers, teacher interact with the students, and that is so much fun, right? And this app is really very helpful for all the students who are preparing for competitive examination as well as school examination. This app helps those students who cannot afford tuition, or like in this period we cannot go to any kind of coaching or any kind of tuitions. We can learn in this app with the best teachers in the India and with the best faculty, and that is the best part of it. And I also study physics from Jay Kaushik sir, who is our physics teacher in an academy. He teaches physics very nicely, very interactively. He goes from basic to advanced, and as I am a biolover student, so I didn't find physics to be interesting, but when I started learning with Jay Kaushik sir, I love physics, and that is the best part of this app. Thank you for all the efforts you made for us, for all the doubt you cleared. You gave us a question of the day for making our numerical strong, and we can clear every doubt by asking him whether it is related to the topic or it's not, but he will clear all the